Hey guys, this is Ivan back with another video. Today I want to share with you guys the best oven cleaning method by just following a few steps. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out our latest content. This method is super simple and you only need a few cleaning tools. For this method you just need oven cleaner, food wrap, and a few minutes of your time. Oven cleaner is considered to be difficult, but it's really not. First, we are going to take everything off the oven, including the wrap. Then spray the oven with the oven cleaner solution on the walls. The trick is to cover the cleaning solution with some cling film. This prevents the solution from drying out and also keeps it in place as the oven cleaner is dwelling. Usually the back of the oven is removable, but in case it isn't, just repeat the same process on the back and on the other side wall of the oven. Make sure to use cling film so the solution won't dry out fast. Cleaning the oven glass is easier. First, spray the solution onto the glass. Then use an unscratched sponge to spread it out. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. And then use a steel sponge to scrub the glass. You can also use a scraper if you need to remove hard stains. It won't scratch the glass if you use it in the right angle. Let the oven cleaner dwell for at least 20 minutes, but the longer the better. Once you have removed the cling film, we are going to use a heavy-duty sponge to scrub the walls of the oven. We are going to use the scraper to remove hard stains in the oven. It is easier to remove the stains as the oven cleaner has been doing its job under the cling film. Don't be afraid to use some heavy-duty tools. They won't scratch the surface as the oven cleaner solution has been softening the hard stains. If you are afraid to use them, just give it a try in a small area first, and then you will know if it's totally safe to go. The racks are also super easy to clean as the solution has been dwelling for a while. Just give them a good scrub on both sides, and then rinse it with hot water. If you want to clean your oven trays, you can also use the same technique. Oven cleaner, cling film, allow some time to dwell, scrub it well with a heavy-duty sponge, and then rinse it well with hot water. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy cooking in your clean oven again. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you found these tips helpful, let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips. Until next time, happy cleaning!